Guys, so long time no see. I know I've been off of Facebook or not Facebook, but YouTube for a little while. Well, frankly, life has happened and stuff's been going on, so been a little bit busy. I do apologize, but today I wanted to kind of show you. I went to the Dollar Tree and I went to Walmart. And I do have a couple projects coming up that I'm going to be recording also. But for now, I thought I would show you my haul video first. And then maybe in a couple days I'll have a couple projects to go over and show you guys. So, Dollar Tree, I'll go over what I got there first. It's not a huge amount, so bear with me. But I got this sign. I was looking for a pumpkin sign, but I couldn't find one that I really liked. And this does have glitter. It's a very pretty sign. It's very farmhousey type feel to it. But I don't want this. This is going to be the back of my sign. What I'm going to do is I'm going to peel that sticker off and I'm going to cut and paint this side and go from there. So if you guys want to see what I'm going to do with my welcome sign thing, check back because I will be making that very, very soon. So new to my Dollar Tree this year, which I was super excited my Dollar Tree actually had, I went looking for a couple other things which they don't have yet, but it's still early. So they actually have these metal signs, and you get 3 in the package, which is a fantastic deal for $1. And it says thankful, harvest, and welcome. So you get all 3 of these in the one package. So I'm going to use that on my sign that I make. I got black and I got lace to make a bow with, and I got these 2 ceramic pumpkins. They had all kinds of different colors. They had the green ones, they had the gold ones, they had orange ones, they had glitter ones, etc., etc. But these kind of go more with the feel that I'm trying to get. And I also got a pool noodle. I know you're thinking, what in the world did you get a pool noodle for? You don't have a pool, right? Well, I don't, but that's beside the point. No, the pool noodle is going to be, I have boots. I have really tall boots, and I have some boots that's not so tall also, but the sides, they're really flimsy and they like to fall over. So I'm going to cut this at certain intervals, get some fabric and push it across it, and then in the center I'm going to load them up with a little bit of baking soda, and then I'm going to find some scented oils that I like for freshening, I guess, to keep your boots nice and fresh, and this will keep your boots standing up. Again, if you want to see how I do that, stay tuned because I will be putting together a tutorial on that also later, probably next week. If not next week, it'll definitely be in September. I'll have that one coming. So stay tuned for that. It is getting boot season, so you know. I also got at the Dollar Tree these. They had 3 different kinds, well, multiples, but the heavier dutier ones. They had the butterflies, they had a flower, and they also had a ladybug. You get 2 for $1. These have the metal handles to them, and they're really nice and sturdy fly swatters. So that's all I got at the Dollar Tree. I spent, I think, $8 and change at the Dollar Tree. Not too bad. Then I went to Walmart, and I spent just a tad bit more. I got a little bit of groceries too to go with this, but this is the main things. So this is the most expensive piece to my project. This all goes with this project over here that I got from the Dollar Tree. This piece right here, which I did not look at the Dollar Tree, and I really should have, but I didn't even think about it until we was getting ready to leave Walmart, and I wasn't going back to the Dollar Tree. So I spent a little over, I want to say about $2.74 maybe. It is a Better Homes and Gardens. It's really pretty and really thick and high quality. I like it, so it's going to work for me. I got a really cheap tabletop easel. I know I've seen similar things at the Dollar Tree, but this was only 87 or 97 cents at Walmart. So I did save a couple cents. And my husband's going to bend this up for me a little bit because my sign does not want to stay on it without sliding off. So he's going to bend this up just a smidgen for me. I do need to get some black spray paint, which I think I have some somewhere. And I'm going to spray this because it's like a gold color right now, and I don't want that. I'd rather have black. Because the sign is going to be a all seasons, and then I can decorate around it with seasonal things. That's my plan anyway. I got these. I got white and I got black because I'm going with the gray tones for my farmhousey feel. So these were only 50 cents a piece at Walmart. And then I got a pack of sponge applicator paintbrushes at Walmart. These were 76 cents and you got 4. So I did save a little bit of money going to Walmart and going to the Dollar Tree. So this sign right here, which is my biggest piece, this piece, and this piece is going to be out all year round in my kitchen. And then there's little things like these little itty bitty pumpkins, which are super, super cute. I like the crisp, clean collars to them. Very little colorations on them at all. But they have a lot of different ones, so whatever your taste is for your fall theme, they do have a little bit of everything coming out, and still more to come. So if you haven't checked your Dollar Tree yet, definitely start hitting it because they are bringing the goodies out. Alright guys, I hope you like this haul video. I know it's not very much. But like I said, I am going to have a tutorial coming up very soon for my sign. And I have a couple plans for a couple more signs as soon as I get back to the Dollar Tree to pick some up. Different shapes and sizes and things like that. But yeah. I will see you guys in the next video, which I should have one coming up very, very soon. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.